In this video, I'll show you how to fix Spotify and Discord integration issues. First, open Discord and go to User Settings. From there, click on Connections and check if your Spotify account is still linked. If it's already connected but not working properly, click the X to remove it, then reconnect your Spotify account by clicking Add and selecting Spotify. Next, make sure Spotify is actually playing music. Discord only shows your listening status when music is actively playing, so start a song and check if it appears on your profile. If it still doesn't work, open your Spotify settings and make sure the account is active and not in offline mode. Also confirm you're logged into the correct Spotify account. Another quick fix is to restart both apps. Close Discord and Spotify completely, then reopen them. This can refresh the connection between the two services. You can also check Discord settings under Activity Privacy, and make sure Display Current Activity as a status message is turned on. After reconnecting and checking these settings, your Spotify status should appear correctly on Discord. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.